So let's talk about the idea of Venn diagrams. You all know what a Venn diagram is? No, maybe-ish. All right, so here, I'll help you with the best example I can conjure up. Which is, here's the universe of what we're talking about. So I'm going to talk about people. Right? Think this big box is all the stuff. Okay? Then in the universe, if you want to make subdivisions, you can draw blobs. The shapes are not important or necessarily representative. So here's a blob. This one represents shaved heads. Right? So now I have two groups, right? You see how I drew one shape, but there's two groups now? What are the two groups? People with shaved heads, and what's this group?
Everybody else.
Everybody else, right? So really, in some sense, this is like a set A, right? And then this is like, what's the word for the outside? Yeah, that's the complement. So if I was going to indicate this, I might write shaved heads, right? But I want the opposite of that, so I need to give you the opposite symbol, which is just this little C in the exponent. It just means take the complement. Cool? So another way I could write that is what? What else could we write?
Not shaved heads?
Yeah, we could just write people without shaved heads, right? Not shaved heads. Okay, let's add yet a third idea to this. Goatees. So where does the goatee set belong in here? Does it? Okay, so there's a couple options, right? There's this one, right? Which would say what?
Everybody who has a goatee has a shaved head.
Yeah, the goatee subset, right? The goatee set lives in the shaved head set. Is that accurate? Are there people who have goatees without having their head shaved? I mean, of course they're wrong, but yes, there are, right? So I need to make sure that blob goes out here into the everybody else field. You see that? So this blob I'm going to call goatees. Right? And then everybody outside of that is what?
Everybody without shaved heads and no goatees.
Okay, so this label got confusing, right?
Yeah.
You guys all see that? So right now what this label is this label is what? The stuff that's outside of both sets should be close. There's a little ambiguity in that. Yeah, so this stuff in here, right? That's the people who have either shaved head or a goatee or both. You guys see that? And the outside is the people who have neither shaved head nor goatee. You guys see that? Okay, so what's this little blob in here?
Oh.
People who have shaved heads and goatees.
Yeah, so that'd be shaved heads and goatees. What's the symbol for that?
The union symbol?
The upside down union symbol.
Yeah, this is an intersection here because this is both things, right? To be in this group, you have to both be in the shaved head group and also be in the goatee group. So that one there, right, is one of these guys, an intersection. Where's the union thing here?
Shaved
So,
heads plus goatees.
Shaved head
plus
union goatee is pink. How do I draw that in here? Yeah, that's all the stuff that's inside the shaved head bubble, right? So that's this stuff. And also all the stuff that's in the goatee bubble. Okay, see that? So one way I could write this thing is I could write this thing as the shaved head, union goatee, all complement. Okay, see that's neither nor. Just like this is either or. Just follow that.
Can you start over? I'm kidding.
One more thing, then I'll start roughly over. Where do I live in this diagram?
Middle.
Okay, so I'm there. Nobody's really rocking just a goatee, are they?
Yeah, that's why I said Gene said.
And none of the rest of you have your head shaved. So all of the rest of you are out here. Right. Really, there's a whole, however many of you there are dots, right? You guys cool with that idea?